This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So today I'm recording seventh session of Oracle 19c RAC where you can master yourself in a minute. So let's begin the session. So today I will discuss about Oracle clusterware. In previous session I had discussed about cluster. So now today I will discuss about clusterware. So clusterware basically is a software that provides various interfaces and services for a cluster. So it allows the cluster to be managed as a single entity, and it protects the integrity of the cluster so that the data is protected and the cluster continues to function even if communication with the cluster noded is severed, and it will maintain a registry of resources so that their location is known across the cluster and so that dependencies between resources is maintained, and it is a deal with the changes to the cluster such as node addition, removal, or failure, and it provide a common view of resources such as network addresses and files in a file system. So basically, you can say Oracle Clusterware provides a complete integrated clusterware management solution on all Oracle database platform. So this clusterware functionality provides all of the features required to manage your cluster database, including node membership, group services, global resource management, and high availability functions. So you can install Oracle Clusterware independently, or you can say as a prerequisite to the Oracle RAC installation process. So Oracle database features like services use the underlying Oracle cluster mechanism to provide advanced capabilities. Oracle database also continue to support third-party clusterware product on a specified platform. So Oracle Clusterware is designed for and tightly integrated with Oracle RAC. So you can use Oracle Clusterware to manage high availability operations in a cluster. When you create an Oracle Deck database, uses using any of management tools, and the database is registered with database registered with with and managed by Oracle Cluster, where you will, along with the other required components such as VIP addresses, scan, and Oracle notification service and Oracle net listeners. So these resources are automatically started when nodes starts and automatically restart if they fail. So Oracle cluster where daemons run on each node. Okay, anything that Oracle clusterware manage is known as CRS resource. So CRS resource can be a database, can be an instance, can be a service, can be a listener, can be a VIP address, or can be an application process. So Oracle manage CRS resources based on the resources configuration information that is stored in Oracle Cluster Registry, that is OCR. Okay, and so Oracle Clusterware provides the framework that enable you to create CRS resources to manage any processes running on the server in the cluster which are not predefined by Oracle. So Oracle Clusterware is store the information that describe the configuration of this component in SOCR that you can administer. Okay, and Oracle Clusterware is a key part of grid infrastructure, which is also include automatic storage management and ASM cluster file system, that is ACFS. So in release 11.2, Oracle Clusterware can use ASM for all the shared files required by the cluster. And Oracle Clusterware is also an enable for the ASM cluster file system which is a generalized cluster file system that can be used for most file-based data such as documents, spreadsheets, and report. So the combination of Oracle Clusterware, ASM, and ACFS provides administrators with the unified cluster solution that is only the foundation for the RAC database. So grid infrastructure is the collective term basically used when anyone is talking about Oracle Clusterware, ASM, and ACFS. So these components are so tightly integrated that they are often collectively referred to as Oracle grid infrastructure. Okay, so in this diagram, you can see that Oracle Clusterware is managing all the servers which are connected through network, and they are connected through switch, and then they are connected through network to the storage. Okay, so this is all about Oracle Clusterware. I hope this information is useful for you guys. So that's it from my side, and thank you very much for watching my series. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. If you do this, it will motivate me. So thanks again for being here and happy learning. Bye.